how to use back tap on iPhone to perform certain actions. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use back tap on iPhone to perform certain actions, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use back tap on your iPhone, so whenever you want to double tap at the back of your iPhone screen, then maybe you want it to open the camera or maybe open the flashlight or whatever actions, right? To customize that, open settings and then you want to simply come to accessibility. Once you come to accessibility, go to the option called touch. Once you go to touch, scroll down, look for the option called back tap. You can see currently it is turned off. You just want to tap on it once. So whether you want a double tap or a triple tap to perform specific actions, in this case I'll just select double tap. So whenever I double tap, let's say I want to open the camera, right? I'm just going to come back and then save the changes. So what now I will do is I'll just go ahead and then double tap on my iPhone over here, as you can see very firmly though. Once I double tap on it, I'll be able to open the camera application. Now you can repeat this action for any of the other actions. So in this case it's double tap. I can just select it up over here. I can set it to, let's say, flashlight. So I'll just come back over here, I'll show you. I'll double tap it and then you'll be able to see the flashlight blink. Double tap it to just turn it off. This is simply how you can use back tap on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.